Hello to everyone. Today we're going to talk about the Emit and Emit listing. So as the first thing, we will need a component here, and let's have a button. Okay, a script and the template. So button, and the name of our button will be increase by 1. When we click this button, we will call a function button click, and this first let's now define emit define emit. All emits, we need to have it in a hurry. So in focus emits and increase emits. We can have as much as we need, so let me expand a little bit. Okay, and now that we have a function button click and emit increase by. Okay. Okay. Now we have to import. But first, before importing our component, let me import, because also we will need a ref from Vue. So we will store our value in a ref. So const count will be equal to the initial value will be 0, so we'll count. So the initial value will be 0, and we will increment by 1. Now we will have a count here. Let me save and see what happens. So we have a file. Let's have it within a span. Okay, everything okay. So now we need to import a button component. Import button from component button. So we place our button here, and to to listen, we need to, so by convention, we'll have to separate words by dash. Okay, and will be equal to, and our function will increment by 1. So let me save it, and when I click it, we increment by 1. So let's make it a little better. Let's have a styles here. So we need first a class test. So style scope test font size, it can be and part can be 10 px, and margin can be also 10 px, but also we can have a style for our button, and for our button, let's have here button. Padding 10 px, and margin margin 10 px. Okay, save it. Okay, also alternative it in the same line. Let's see, put on second line. So okay, we have this one, and when we click our button, we increment it by 1. But also we can emit and also send a parameter. So let's say that now we will not increment it by 1 anymore, but we will increment it by 2, and as a parameter we will have to save. Let's now go to home, and here basically we have to do some change. So first we have to capture a parameter, and our value here will increment by given parameter. Save it, and we can see now that we're incrementing by 2. 2 is the given parameter. So thank you for watching this tutorial.